share. For everybody, we are very much concerned on our own peace work, but we kind of focus for now on how we see the Cambodia-Thailand conflict, but it does not negate that in any context that we are working on, this is also contributing to that building peace in that border. So for now, the purpose, going back as articulation, we are very much concerned with the different goings on, what's happening, the ordinary people's lives that we are always dealing with. So we hope that the gathering is going to be sharing, an opportunity for us to share and to look into the relevance of our contribution of our peace work. And at the same time, we would like to further analyze the connection of all these dynamics, the results of the actions, the processes, some policies, some people. Where does this all connect? And at the same time, how are we being effective in our actions and our programs today? And at the same time, looking for options where we could further become more effective in our work. And as we have also articulated, somehow how we can work together as organizations and as individuals as well. So, articulating such purpose, we would like to share the process. I think yesterday we have shared, it was only yesterday that we have emailed, but I know that everybody's already going on travel. So the program flow for this process for the 2 days will be today, going to be over. Good? Yeah? We should transfer this. Okay, sorry, there's such technical glitches. Yeah, so in how we are going to go about the 2-day activity, that for the short time that we are here, we would like to 5 or 6 major processes we've done with one process. It's on the preliminaries where we were able to articulate our expectations and our contributions, and also getting to know who are here around us and together with us in this process. And second is looking back at our programs using the RPP matrix, which I will be sharing later. So we would like to see what is our program, each of our programs, and what are the different changes that we have seen, and where are we, at what level are we working on, or what level are we focusing on individual changes or challenging social political changes, and are we dealing with a lot of people, or the people that are hard to get or hard to deal with. So that's the next that we will be working on after this. And third is looking at our conflict and sharing of our analysis. So that process would then be where we will be undergoing the conflict analysis, focusing on the Cambodia-Thailand conflict, where we will be looking at the different forces for peace, who are the forces, or what are the forces that are against peace, so that we can clarify all these forces and identify also the different actors. And look into the dynamics of all this. Where does this fit in? And how do we look at the different actions? So that's third activity, the third process that we'll be undergoing. And the first three would be, is aimed to be finished within the day. So hopefully, we will try our best to finish and fill the analysis and also sharing of our analysis at the end of the day. And we'll be looking into common grounds or commonalities of the Cambodia analysis and of the Thai analysis on all these situations. And for tomorrow, it's going to be a little bit review of what we have experienced for the first day and looking into the key points that we need to take consideration on that would have some implications on how we move forward. So we would just like to thresh out some of the concerns. And now it's looking at our effectiveness of our program. So we would be having a process whereby we assess our own programs, and it depends on how we see what are the low identified indicators that we see that we could say that we have succeeded, and also identify our limitations. And the last would be looking or moving forward. That would then be the next steps for us to do, basing on all the assessments and analysis that we have done. So that's the whole process for the 2 days that we will be meeting and sharing and working, actual working for doing it with each other, with different groups and also different individuals.